The Sumerians, one of the earliest known civilizations in human history, emerged in Mesopotamia over 5,000 years ago. Their contributions to humanity were profound, yet their origins and enigmatic achievements remain shrouded in mystery. Who were the Sumerians? And how did they create such an advanced society in the cradle of civilization? Situated between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in what is now modern-day Iraq, the Sumerians are credited with remarkable innovations, writing, urbanization, and even the wheel. But their sudden rise and unprecedented advancements pose questions that historians and archaeologists struggle to answer. One of the greatest mysteries is the Sumerians' origin. Unlike neighboring peoples, the Sumerians spoke a language isolate, a language with no known relatives. This linguistic uniqueness has puzzled experts for centuries. Did the Sumerians migrate from a distant land? Or did their culture emerge independently in Mesopotamia? Their city-states, like Uruk, Ur, and Lagash, were architectural marvels, boasting towering ziggurats that symbolized both religious and political power. But how did they build such monumental structures without advanced tools? Some suggest they had knowledge lost to us today. The Sumerians also developed cuneiform, the world's first known writing system. But the content of some texts raises eyebrows. Among administrative records and hymns, there are stories of Anunnaki, divine beings who descended from the heavens. Were these merely myths, or could they hint at something more? According to historians, the Anunnaki are often depicted as creators or guides to humanity. Some theorists speculate that these accounts could represent ancient interactions with extraterrestrial beings. While mainstream scholars dismiss this idea, the precision of Sumerian astronomical knowledge is difficult to ignore. The Sumerians were true pioneers in technology, making groundbreaking contributions that shaped the course of human civilization. They are credited with inventing the wheel, a transformative innovation that revolutionized transportation and pottery making. This invention not only facilitated the movement of goods and people but also enhanced the efficiency of crafting pottery, a vital aspect of their daily lives. In addition to the wheel, the Sumerians developed advanced tools and weapons using bronze, marking the transition from the Stone Age to the Bronze Age. This advancement improved agricultural practices, construction, and defense capabilities. They also introduced sophisticated irrigation techniques, enabling them to harness the waters of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. This innovation transformed the arid Mesopotamian landscape into fertile farmland, significantly boosting agricultural productivity. The invention of the plow further streamlined farming, making it more efficient and allowing the Sumerians to sustain their growing population. The Sumerians also laid the foundation for mathematics and astronomy. They devised a base 60 number system, which remains influential in modern times, particularly in the measurement of time, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and angels, 360 degrees in a circle. Their keen observations of celestial bodies led to the creation of calendars, which were crucial for agricultural planning and religious festivals. This knowledge of astronomy not only guided their agricultural cycles but also played a central role in their cultural and spiritual practices. In summary, the Sumerians' technological, mathematical, and astronomical advancements were monumental. They not only addressed the immediate needs of their society but also laid a lasting foundation for future civilizations to build upon. Even more perplexing is their abrupt disappearance. Around 2000 BCE, the Sumerians were overtaken by the Amorites and eventually absorbed into Babylonian culture. But was their decline due to invasion, environmental collapse, or something else entirely? The Sumerians left behind a legacy that shaped the foundation of human civilization. Yet, their origins, knowledge, and sudden decline remain enigmatic. Perhaps their secrets are hidden in the sands of Mesopotamia, waiting to be uncovered. According to archaeologists, the Sumerians tracked celestial movements with astonishing accuracy, documenting planets and constellations that should have been invisible to the naked eye. How they achieved this without telescopes remains a mystery.